So what's up, everybody? What's cracking? So today I want to do a quick video about this notification that I got. So the other night I was just sitting here in my office trying to get some work done, and it was just one of those regular loud nights because I have 3 kids, and I get this notification. Now when I saw it, I had to double take, like who is this? And I looked at the logo that was on the notification, and I said, that's Cash App. Now if you have Cash App, then you know Cash App also was flirting with things like cryptocurrencies and things like that. And so apparently a month ago they announced being able to invest with their platform starting with as little as $1. So of course what they're referring to is the term fractional shares, where you can buy a piece of a share with whatever money that you have. So Cash App is owned by Square, and Cash App is typically used as like a merchant processing type of thing, more so in a sense of kind of like Venmo, kind of like sharing, where you can send money to family, friends, or whatever, or pay for a service, etc. It's kind of more of a social type of platform of money transfer. A lot of people use it for business. People use it for, if they need to send money to family, friends, or whatever the case is, or if people want to, just be a blessing to someone. People, they do their birthday shots out and say, hey, hit me up, but send me a gift to my Cash App or whatever. So Cash App has became one of those things overnight where a lot of people may not necessarily use it, but now a lot do. In fact, Cash App's numbers have been rising year after year. So in 2017 they did $2.2 billion, and then last year they did $3.3 billion. So it's safe to say that they're growing. In fact, their user numbers, their user base has doubled, and it's actually surpassed Venmo as far as downloads just this past year. So the crazy thing is they actually launched this about a month ago, but I don't know, you probably missed it just like I did, because during that time you had so much going on about Robinhood, and then you had things coming out about Charles Schwab, and they kind of took the forefront. All the while, here's little old Cash App saying, hey, we're getting into the investing platform too. So I wonder, how do you feel about Cash App getting into this investing game as well? It appears that any company that has to deal with anybody's money or any type of transactions, they're starting to see that there's opportunity in people investing. So what we may not see on our end is that there's definitely got to be some income potential, some revenue potential. There's got to be something where companies say, you know what, we really need to get in this investing game too because of this, that, and the other. And so now Cash App is involved. And the thing about Cash App is you have a lot of people who already have the app installed, and they already process money through Cash App. They already send money through Cash App back and forth, and now you're just kind of putting in their ear like, hey, I know you're sending this money back and forth, but if you want to take $1, you can take that $1 and actually buy a share of one of your favorite companies if you want. So there's not a whole lot of information out there about it, but it's a fairly simple platform, and it fits right into the regular thing that they have going on with their app. It's not a separate app. If you look down the bottom of the screen of the app, you'll see that there's like a little chart there, and that's where you would actually go to invest. And as I stated, why it may actually work out for them pretty good is because a lot of people already have their app. It's not a company that people don't already have. Like, most people don't have, Robinhood or SoFi or M1 Finance or Charles Schwab. Most people have to go and open up these accounts. Meanwhile, Cash App, everybody has a Cash App. Most people have a Cash App. So basically, just because you already have these users and then you transition over, it actually might work out for them. But it was just kind of a little different, like, to see that pop up on my screen, and it's kind of like, wow, so I guess everybody's getting into the investing game now. So, but anywho, I'd love to hear what you guys think about the whole Cash App thing, investing or whatever they're calling it, but it's there and it's actually working now and it's functioning. So if you take out your phone, if you got a Cash App, check it out. You can actually see some of the stocks and things on there. Very simple platform. But I'd love to hear what you guys think about it. Hey, so thanks for stopping by the channel. I know you're probably spending time with your family. I hope you guys have had a good holiday, and I hope you guys are enjoying your time spending time with family. Be sure that you actually take this time with your family to, like, not just talk about old stuff like old hurts and old pains, but to talk about, some things you can do with your family, like to build wealth or to, put your family in a different position in life. In fact, I actually did a video about that, and I'll link that in the description, but I'll also put one of those cards up here where you can check that out. But this is definitely a good time when you're with your family, where it's great to start having these discussions about money, about finance, about health, about strategy, about the future, etc. So as always, guys, thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I definitely appreciate you for subscribing to this channel, for watching the content, etc. Leave comments, whatever. Ask me a question. If I can help you, I'll help. If I can't, I'll point you in the right direction, because there's a lot of people out here that are really doing this investing thing, that are learning, that are growing, and things like that. It's a wonderful community, and you should definitely stay connected. So until the next video, let's keep investing, let's keep growing, and I'll talk to you soon. Be blessed. Peace.